One day Bob was chatting with his friend Tina about class notes. His mother come home and saw he did not get the vegetables from market yet, so she gets angry. Soon he gets ready and went to the market. While going market, he saw a robber taking money from a boy and making him hurt. Then Bob quickly turned himself into a savior and saved the boy. There's a gunshot happened, and people running around here and there. Before someone noticed, Bob gets a car and go back to home.
The video you just saw, it's interesting, right? You know that video is made by Canva. How we can make a proper cartoon animation video in Canva? Let's see. So before start, I would like to let you know that the tool for the voiceover I have used here, I already make a video where I have shown you in my YouTube channel that how you could get a free AI voiceover. So you can check out this video or this video. From here you will see how to get free AI voice from text to speech. Anyway, let's come over to Canva and we'll select a video. Okay, now we'll get a video background and the time is there 5 seconds anyway. So we'll search for home in elements. So we are gonna choose a home that is suitable for our project. Now here we are supposed to show our character who working in a sunny day in his home. So we will make this happen here. So we are going to add elements for sunny day. What we can add a sun outside of home and clouds and sky and birds, and we can add also trees, or we can add rivers or background. For the home background we can add like grass or mountains. Okay, it's up to you. You can make it more realistic or better for your viewers. It's all in your mind how you will arrange. Okay, set the position here. So we'll set it behind our home. Now it's look more good, and we will set the time here for 3 to 5 seconds. So we'll not make it more. Now here we'll search for a bird and add here. Okay, so make sure all the elements that you are adding, it's go with your project. Okay, so it's ready. Now we'll click on the plus icon to get a new scene. So here you can see it also gives us the 5 second video scene. It is now blank. Now we will make this scene inside home. So we'll search in elements with this type of keywords, inside home or home inside. Okay, now we are going to select this background for home, and we will search for a character who is using his phone or laptop or PC. Okay, so here you can see I'm searching a boy using laptop and chair. Then go for graphics, and here you can see some still images, but I just filter it out with animation. So there are amazing characters here. I select this one and just flip it according to my needs, and this looks pretty good. Okay, so as he's chatting according to our story with his friend, so we will add some chatting elements here. You can see. So now hopefully it looks much better. Now here I'm going to add another character whom he's chatting. So here's his friend Tina according to our cartoon story. Okay, now we can add here animation, pop-up animation for his friend here. Okay, so this looks pretty cool when it pop up Okay, now here we can set the time. It's more important from when you want to appear your character in your scene. Now next you can duplicate the scene and add here your character, I mean the angry woman or your mother, according to your story, our story, what we see in first of this video. Okay, now we set the timing when the character appear, and then we will animate this character as well. So which one is looking good here? So we can select this one. Okay, it's look more good here. Now we can set the speed as well. Okay, let's see from the beginning, and it looks good. Okay, now we will go for our next scene, and in the next scene we will search for a street or a forest or a garden here. Okay, go for graphics and we will select any of the background from here. So I'm going with this background, a garden where it's a blue sky and some green grass. Now we will search for a character. We can search here a boy, a walking boy, and animate this. So we can just hold our shift button and just drag it to the right and set up our speed. We can make it steady and done. Okay, now if we play from here, we can see this character moving forward to right, and now we can copy the scene again, and here we will make this look more professional. Okay, so as he's going from left to right, we can make the background move as well. When he is going to right, the background scene will move his left. Okay, same. First we select the character, and second we can select the background to give our animation. Okay, this looks good. So applying this trick, you can also use here cars or motorbikes. Now if you choose any character in Canva and you want to go with same type of character, you can go here and check the VA collection. Now let's find out our project here. Okay, so we use this character, and if you use this code in Canva element, you will see similar type of character in your Canva collection to use in your video. Understand? It's really simple. Now if you want a same character who will appear in your video and move here and there you want, you can go over to FreePic and download this type of assets, cartoon packs, what you can use in your video to give a professional touch here. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of characters with different shapes you can use in your video. So this is a really good way to give your video a professional look. Okay, even you can make your own. Now if we see in our project, we can see that we add multiple scenes in our video in Canva, and according to those we give transactions in after each scene. Here you can see just in we can click in between the scenes and add our transactions. Okay, it's really cool. And also here you can see this music. It's basically you can search for Canva when the scenes appear for blast or for people are going here and there. You can just search for that music or sounds, or even you can upload your own and then you can share as MP4. That's it, ready. Okay, so hopefully you like this video, and if you want more video like this, make sure to comment below and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Happy day.